Good afternoon to everyone that is watching this. Welcome to our academic interaction and presentation for LPE2301. Today, I and my partner are going to present our EP portfolio. To start with the introduction, I would like to ask you a very simple questions. Have any of you ever heard about deforestation? Of course, yes. What is deforestation and what is the effect to the environment when deforestation issue getting serious? Without further ado, let me introduce myself. My name is Seliza Yunus. My metric number is S29933 and I'm studying the Bachelor of Science Forestry, and my partner.
Hello, my name is Ophelia Stephen with metric number S30009.
Ladies and gentlemen, deforestation refers to the decrease in forest areas across to the world that are lost for some uses such as agriculture, croplands, urbanization, or mining activities. According to Forestry Department Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, about half of the world's tropical forests have been cleared or degraded. So from that we can see that this issue will give some effects to our environment. So in our focus topic in this presentation, we'll talk about how deforestation affects the environment. First of all, deforestation will affect the indigenous people. The indigenous people will lose their needs. They are a group of communities that live and depend on forests to sustain their life. They lose their natural food sources as they depend on wild animals and plants to survive. Besides that, their traditional land use as uneconomic for governments and private sectors. Consequently, they will lose their opportunity to take part of land and forest resources to survive. For instance, the indigenous people need the forest land to build their crops and need some big trees to build their house. That's all from me. Now I would like to pass to my partner.
So now I'm going to present about the other effects of deforestation in our environment. The deforestation will reduce the biodiversity in our forests. Biodiversity loss, or more known as loss of biodiversity, is a decrease of biodiversity within a species or in ecosystem too. So here, let me tell you about one fact that I've read from another articles. Rainforests are being burned down at a rate of 14 Manhattan every single day. In figures, the world is losing about 81,000 hectares of rainforest every day, and it will lead into a biodiversity loss. As we know, the animals or any species or maybe some trees are related to each other and they need each other to get survive. When the animals or any tree species cannot relocate, they will become extinct. For example, in our country, the Malayan tigers in our country are nearly extinct and categorized as a critically endangered by the IUCN Red List. That only have 500 species nowadays, if I'm not mistaken. And it is because of all of the trees are chopped down and the animals will lose their habitat as well. It will affect the decrease of their population and make them extinct. Their habitat and also their source of foods are disturbed by the deforestation activities. And moreover, the land usage will change as the biodiversity are reduced due to the deforestation activities. As we know, our forests, tropical rainforests are cover less than 3% of Earth area, yet they are home of almost half of our planet terrestrial animal species. The land use uses, such as development built by human, example they include like industrial, residential, business, and also recreational uses. During the development, the trees are chopped down and will cause the soil erosion, climate change, and also landslide. And the natural resources as food to animals are being disturbed. The following things are related to the biodiversity loss. If the natural resources such as foods or habitat decrease, the biodiversity also decrease as the biodiversity loss, and it will affect the ecosystem as well. Overall, from our presentation just now, for conclusion, this deforestation is an important issue to be discussed. It has adverse effects on each living being life. Deforestation has become a huge concern in today's life as there has been a rise in the decline of forests. Trees are cut down or trees are chopped down to manufacture any product as well for livestock, farming, and so on. Deforestation also causes fewer trees to grow, and it has also gone a long way in eliminating available ecosystem in our planet. Deforestation does have solution, yes. It just we as human being or we as a people we must step forward to keep safe our precious planets in which and every member of its human populations. So before I end this presentation, there are one quotes that are related from Martin O'Malley. It said that reversing deforestation is complicated, but planting tree is a simple. Thank you for watching. Thank you.